Hey guys, apologies for this video. I could not find my other tripod, but we're gonna make this work. So this week we are doing grid portraits. It's going to be really important for you guys to have a ruler, as well as a pencil, an eraser, and a lot of patience, because this is definitely going to be one of our more challenging units, but you can do this. So we're going to start off by gridding out our paper. It's really, really important that you guys are aware of a few things. Firstly, as we are measuring, be very, very aware of where you're making your marks. When you're drawing people, it's really easy to make things look off, even if you're off by like a 1/16 of an inch or an 1/8 of an inch. So it's really important that we're very specific with the way we're measuring. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to get my cat off the table. But I'm also going to make sure, you can see right here, my 1 inch mark is lined up with the edge of my paper. From there, I'm going to start at 1 inch, and I'm going to make a mark very carefully over each of my inches. And if you look really, really closely, I am right above that long inch line. You might notice that my ruler is not long enough, so I'm going to go ahead, slide my ruler over. I'm going to start exactly over that same 1 inch mark and continue until I make my way across the paper. So I jumped ahead and started gridding out my image I'm going to be using. It is a photo of my beautiful grandmother. So what I did, just so you guys know, is I used highlighter because this is a black and white photo. So I used highlighter just so I can see those lines a little bit more clearly. Also, the highlighter is transparent, so I can see any details that are underneath. The second thing I'd recommend doing is going through and kind of just outlining where you have things, so it might be easier for you to kind of figure out where like the face is at. If you would like to do that, you can do the same thing, like a different color Sharpie, or you can leave it as is. I'm really gonna leave that up to you guys, but I might just go through in a couple of these areas that are a little bit lighter. Next thing is go through and number out everything. So I'll do, let's see here. I'll do letters across the top because there's less space across the top. And because this isn't quite a full inch, I'm gonna maybe see what I wanna do with that and do numbers on the side. And now all you do is just start working on transferring those images over one little square at a time.